Hello, welcome to the lesson 4. Welcome to the lesson 4 of digital marketing course. In this lesson 4, I am going to tell about the most important topic, that is going to be how to choose the best long tail keyword. How to choose the best long tail keyword, very important. If you choose the best long tail keyword, you can easily rank your website very fast, as I already told you in the previous video. So how to choose the best long tail keyword? We have find it out what kind of keywords we need to choose. The first important thing is we need to choose a very long tail keyword. What kind of long tail keyword we need to choose right now? That we need to right now. That we need to know about that. What is that long tail keyword? What kind of long tail keyword we need to choose? That's going to be always choose zero competition keywords, friends. Always choose the long tail keyword, but not a short tail keyword, not a single keyword, not a three keywords. I already told you in the previous video the long tail keyword, which is going to be the 7 words, the minimum 7 words long tail keyword, which should be as a beginner, as a new to the digital marketing course, as a new to the search engine optimization to rank your website in the first page of Google. You always need to choose the particular long tail keyword which is having a zero competition keyword. The zero competition, what is this particular zero competition keyword? Suppose I already told you in the previous video that's going to be the long tail keyword, the digital marketing course training in Hyderabad. The best digital marketing course training in Hyderabad, which is going to be a minimum 7 long tail keyword. The digital marketing course in Hyderabad, best digital marketing course in Hyderabad, best digital marketing course training in Hyderabad is a long tail keyword. These all three keywords are having low competition keyword. Which keyword you need to choose? In this, the keyword which is having a zero competition. How could we know that that particular long tail low competition keyword is having a zero competition keyword? Zero competition keyword means the keyword which is a long tail keyword, he's never been having searches to the keyword in the Google. In Google, the particular long tail keyword, whatever we have chosen, there should not be any searches. There should not be any searches to that long tail keyword, and by considering, by taking, by confirming that long tail keyword which is having a zero searches, zero competition means zero searches, no searches at all, no searches at all to that keyword. Choose that particular keyword as your domain name, friends. Choose that particular keyword as your website domain name. It will easily rank your website. It will easily rank your website in the first page of Google within few days only. But here one doubt is there. As already I told you, the digital marketing training course in Hyderabad, the best digital marketing course training in Hyderabad is a long tail keyword. It's having a low competition keyword. Why can't we choose this best digital marketing course training in Hyderabad is a very long tail keyword as our website domain name? We cannot get this keyword as our exact matching domain name because that keyword is running since so many months. That keyword is running since so many months. So what we need to do, we need to add an year. We need to add an year. You need to add like digital marketing. That means digital marketing 2020 training in Hyderabad. Best digital marketing training 2020 in Hyderabad. Digital marketing 2020 training in Hyderabad. Digital 2020 marketing course training in Hyderabad. See, this kind of long tail keyword in which we are adding year 2020, 2019, 2021, so that we can confirm easily that. Because if we consider, for example, if we consider this, I already told you before, digital marketing training in Hyderabad. This is already running keywords. That means The keyword which is having even the low competition keyword, which is a low competition keyword for the long tail keyword also, it is already running keyword, and the searches of that particular keyword is more than 1000 searches, more than 500 searches. It is already running keyword in which the people are searching daily. So if we choose those long tail keyword, it is very difficult to rank. The already what I am telling, the keyword, whatever the long tail keyword, we need to choose the zero competition keyword, means zero searches and people are not searching that keyword. What is the benefit of not searching? If we take, what is the benefit of taking a long tail keyword which is not even having a single search, which is not even having a traffic? What kind of benefits will be there? That I am going to tell in the next lesson. The main important point is you need to choose a long tail keyword which is having a zero competition, means zero searches in which no people are searching to that keyword, which is having a 7 words. So that if you choose that keyword as your domain name, by adding in that keyword you need to add 2020 digital marketing, 2020 digital marketing, 2021, which is having a zero searches. You can easily rank. By taking these zero searches and no traffic and no searches, no people are searching, what are the benefit? What is the use of taking this keyword? This topic I am going to tell in the next lesson. Thank you so much.